Cavemen have never reviewed a product whose main purpose is helping Tribe buy a different product. Yet here we are. This is the Oura Ring 5 sizing kit. And before anybody gets excited, no, this is not the actual smart ring. This is basically the try before you buy version. And honestly, that's probably a good thing. Because Oura rings don't use standard ring sizing. Meaning Tribe can't just look at existing ring, make wild guess and hope for best. Well, Tribe can. But Caveman strongly advises against that strategy. The whole point of this kit is simple. You get sizing samples. You wear them. You figure out what actually feels comfortable. Then you order the real Oura ring with confidence. Human call this planning. Caveman call this avoiding expensive mistakes. And considering most wearable technology sits on body all day, sizing matters way more than people think. Too loose? Ring moves around. Too tight? Finger declares war. Neither outcome ideal. What I actually like about this product is that it acknowledges reality. Most companies would happily let customers guess and deal with problems later. Oura basically says, let's get this right first. Cavemen respect that. The Amazon credit toward the actual Oura ring also helps. Because nobody loves spending money on measuring tools. At least this contributes toward future purchase. Now honest downside? This is about as exciting as buying tape measure before buying furniture. No cool features. No flashy technology. No health tracking. No sleep data. No futuristic magic. It's literally sizing kit. But that's okay. Because it solves important problem. And sometimes smartest purchase is the one that prevents bad purchase. Overall, simple, practical, necessary. If Tribe planning to buy Oura Ring 5, skipping this step could become annoying very quickly. Caveman approved preparation. Link in description if Tribe want check it out. Subscribe for more Amazon finds for primitive minds. Caveman go measure finger now. Apparently even fingers need compatibility testing in modern civilization.